Hi everyone! Today I will quickly show you how you can switch between different measures inside a chart using a slicer. So this will be the topic of our today's tutorial. If you find these short tutorials valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Starting with the dataset description. Dataset is very simple. Here we have a fact table with units sold, direct costs and sales. Then we simply calculated several measures for the units sold, direct costs, sales, and EBITDA, which is sales minus direct costs. All measures are built only to show you how slicing by measure works. I've created a simple Excel table with the list of measures that we'll be slicing by. Now we are going to Power BI and pressing Enter Data button. Now we have this table with measures names in Power BI. We will call this table Slicer. Next step, we'll be building the measure that will be placed in the right measure depending on what measure will be selected. We will call this measure Value. We will have four conditions, starting with selected value function. If selected value in Slicer table equals to sales, then we will place sales totals measure. If selected value in slicer table equals to direct costs, then we will place direct cost totals measure. If selected value in slicer table equals to EBITDA, then we will place EBITDA measure. And finally, if selected value in slicer table equals to units, then we will place units totals measure. Otherwise, we will place 0, closing parentheses and pressing Enter. Now let's create the slicer for the selected measure. Moving to the chart, we will create a clustered column chart. X-axis will be the date column from the calendar table. In Y-axis, we will be placing value measure. Now we can play with the slicer and see how the chart reacts accordingly. We can also add a customized title for this chart. For that, we will create a measure. We will call this measure Selected Measure. We will be using selected value function as well. The argument will be measures column of a slicer table that we've previously created. Now we can create a shape. Going to Style, Text is on. Here we need to press FX button. Now we need to find and select the measure that we've just created. Selected Measure. Now we can see how this works. If you find these short tutorials valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link to download this dataset you will be able to find in the description of this video. If you are a business owner, in this set of tutorials, I'm showing how you can organize your weekly or monthly financial or non-financial reports without using Microsoft Excel, pivot tables and writing formulas. This will significantly save your time. Plus, you will avoid mistakes while building reports. As a raw data source, we're using simple Excel file, so we're running the report for the current week or current month. This can be 10,000 lines or 100,000 lines long report. In our tutorial, all data is imaginary. Every week or every month, we will be adding a new portion of lines in the report, and then we will be going to Power BI, clicking Refresh, and a new week or a new month of data will be automatically added to our dashboard. If this information is valuable for you, please hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends who have their own business. All tutorial links are placed down below in the description of this video. See you in next tutorials and follow us for more.